والنجم إذا غوى.
ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. نحمدہ ونصلی علی رسولہ الکریم. اما بعد فاعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. My name is Hanzala Sajjad and I read in class 8. I am very pleased to tell you about our success. We completed our study with Hafiz class. We know that the importance of study of Holy Quran and Sunnah with the modern study of science. We also know that Allah Almighty sent the first revolution for us. Start from the word Iqra. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read in the name of Lord who created the man. This ayat karima point the importance of study for all of us. We also know about hadith Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslim. The saying of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam indicate the importance of study for all the children, men, boys and women. Knowledge is light. Getting knowledge is first obligation for all of us. In history, the battle of Badr, Muslim caught some enemies and freed some of them who paid fidya. And Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said for those who couldn't pay anything and know how to read and write, they can taught Muslim children and get freedom. We also know that Islam is a code of conduct of life. I am very thankful to all of you. Assalamu alaikum.
والنجم إذا غوى.